Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 3 data handling. Last class we learned about arithmetic mean. Now we are going to learn about what about mode, M-O-D-E, mode. Mode means in given data which data is more time repeating that data comes as the mode, that number comes as the mode. That is the meaning of the mode means in the given data set, so many data are given that in that data set which number more time repeating that number comes as the mode. The next word is median. Median means here middlemost observation we call it as a median. How to find out median means first given data we should write as in ascending or descending. Anyway you can. Ascending means small number to big number or descending means big number to small number. Anyway any one way we can write the given data. Then afterwards count how many data are given. Suppose 10 data are given. So what we want to do? 10 is odd or even number? Odd number. Odd number case that 10 is divided by 2. So how much will coming at? 5 will get in the 2 table 10 5 10. That means we are arranging the data in ascending order first. In that ascending order, fifth place which number is there? That number comes as the median of that observation or that data. Or suppose now counting time number of data are 15 are there. 15 is odd or even number. Odd number case extra 1 we add and divided with 2. That means 15 plus 1 comes to be 16. So 16 is divided with 2. So which number will come in? 8. That means in first we given our data that one don't forget. First we should write as in the ascending order or descending order. Then in the 8th place which number is there? That number comes as the median of that given question or given data. That is the meaning of the median case. So we can go through such type of questions. First we go through exercise 3.2 exercise. There are also some observations are given there. Exercise 3.2. First question, the score of max. Here one test is conducted there. Score of a max test is given there. Score in max test is given there. Max test of how many students? 50 students. They mentioned that how many students? 50 students are given there. Data are 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, again 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20, like this way data are given. Here, how many data are there? Once we count it, is it 15 students marks are there or not? Once we can check out of 25, mark is out of 25. Out of 25, max mark is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 50. Yes, 15 students marks are there. First what they ask you to find means find the median case. They ask to find the median of the given. So first what we want to do? Arrange as in ascending or descending order. So I going to write as in the ascending. Ascending means a small number to big number. With that one don't forget ascending order or descending order must and should. Otherwise you finding means that answer comes as a wrong only. So first we should write as ascending small in this given data which is the smallest number. 5 is the smallest number. Then next which number comes as the smallest number? 9 comes as the smallest number. Next which number comes as the smallest? 10. Next 12. Then next one is 15. 15. Then next comes as 19. Next one is 20. How many times 3 times are the 20 repeated 3 times. So that 3 times 20, right? Next number coming as, here 16 also there. 16 also there. 16 also, right? Then next which number there? 23 is there. Lastly we can check any number missing or not. 24 is there. Next number coming as 3 not 4 times 20 is repeated there. Say one more time is there. Then 23, 24, next 25. Now is it become 15 or not? Once we cancel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One number is missing there. So which number is missing there? Here 25, here 20, how many times? 15. Here see 19. Okay, 19 is there. Next 25. 25 is there. Then 23. 23 also there. Then next 20. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times are there. So 4 times 20 we can write. Next number is 9. 9 also there. 9 how many times? 1 time only. Then next 15. 50 how many times? 1 time. Next 16 is there. 25 2 times are there. That's why here 25 represent as 2 times. So now 15 numbers are there. We write as in the ascending order. Ascending order after counting how many observations? Only 50. 15 is odd or an even number. Odd number 3. Odd number case what we want to do? Extra 1 we want to add. So 15 is added with 1 and divided with 2. 15 plus 1 comes to be 16. Divided with 2. Half of 16 comes to be 8. That means in this given observation 8th place which number is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th place which number is coming? So we can say therefore median become 20 is the median. 8th place number become 20. Next they ask you to find out a mode case. Mode means in this given observation which number is more time repeated and number 20 is repeated. That's why mode become, which is the mode? 20 is the mode. So we in this way we can write median means first we write as in ascending order, then repeated number also repeated times write, then count it, counting time and number of observation is odd or even. Here odd case means add extra 1 and divided by 2, then how much, however half of that number take, that number comes which here 8 is coming, then check in the ascending order place, 8th place which number coming? 8th place which number? 20 is coming there. That's why we can say median become 20. Mode means which number more time repeating. 25 also repeat, but 25 2 times only. 20 how many times more time? 4 times there. That's why 20 is the mode case. This is the first question. In this way we want to do the remaining question. Find the mean, median and the mode like that. Another question. They are also like that same process only. They says about find out the mean, median, mode cases. Such type of second question. The runs scored in a cricket match. In a cricket match by 11 players. How many players are there? 11 players are there. Their score is given there. 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. They ask find the mean, mode and median. In this way they ask you find out 3 cases. 3 central tendencies we learned. What are the central tendencies we learned? Mean, mode, median case. Mean means last class we learned. Mean means here average value. That means sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. Mode means here in that given observation which number more time repeating, that number comes as a mode. Median how to find out? First we write as in ascending order, then odd number case extra 1 add and divided by 2, even number case directly half take, then that number that place where it 5 comes 10 is, and suppose number of data is 10 means take half of 10, half of 10 become how much? 5. That means fifth place which number coming, that is the median, that is the meaning. Same process here also. So what we first median case, mean first we can find. Mean is equal to sum of, formula is sum of all observation divided by total number of divided by total number of observation, total number of observation. Here all observation, all data we want to, what are the data? 6 plus 15 plus 120 plus 50 plus 100 plus 80 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15. All 11 numbers right, and total how many observation are given? They are the 11 players score. That's why divided with 11. Adding time 6 plus 15 plus all this number adding time 429 will coming there. That one divided with 11. 429 divided with 11. 11 table 42 not there. 3 times 33 will coming there. Borrow from next place. 12 minus 3 comes to be 9. Next place number bring down 9. 11 table 99 9 times. So answer become how much? 39 is the answer. So mean of this given data is become 39. Next process what we want to do? Median find out. Median how to find out? First we write the given observation as in form of ascending order. So this part I will go to write. Then next one is we want to find out the median case. Median case first of all we write the given observation as in form of ascending order. Ascending order writing time here which is the smallest number 6. 6 after next smaller number is 8. 8 after next smaller number is 10. 10 how many tens is there? 2 tens are there. Then next in the smallest number is 15. 50 how many tens? 3 tens are there. 15. Next number coming as 15 after 50 is there. 50 after 80. 80 after 100. 100 after 120. Check it. 11 numbers coming or getting or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So yes, 11 numbers are there. First of all, we write as in the ascending order. Then counting how many observation? Only 11 observation. 11 is odd or even number, odd number. Odd number case, what we want to do? Extra 1 add and take half of that number. 11 plus 1 comes to be 12. Half of 12 comes to be how much? 6. That means 6th place number comes as our median. Which number comes as a 6th place number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th place which number will come in there? 50. So therefore median become 15 is the median. We can say that 15 become the median of this given data. Next one more thing we want to find out the third. They ask to find out the mode. Mode how to find out in the given data which number more time repeated. Number 15 is more time repeated. That's why we can say mode is equal to, mode also equal to how much? 15 is the answer. I hope you can understand this second question also. In this way these questions are doing there. One more question. Third question which tells about the same. Find out the mode and the median of the given data. Mode and the median of the given data. Same thing. One more. For more understanding, one more question explaining there. So find out the third question. Find the mode and median. medium, both we want to find out. Here mean case not asking that. Numbers are, data are given as 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14, like this way. So how to write? First what we want to do? First we write as in the ascending order. That one don't forget, ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. In the given data, which is the smallest number? 12 is the smallest number. 12 how many times repeated? The 2 times. Next one is 13. 13 how many times are there? 2 times are there. So 13, right? Next number is 40. 40 how many times are there? 3 times are there. So 14 3 times, right? Next number comes as 16. So 16, right? Next which number coming? 19 will coming there. Then count it. All the how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here one in question also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 numbers are there. Then first next what we want to find out? Median. Here how many observation are there? 9. 9 is odd or a even number? Odd number. That's why extra one add and take a half of that number. Extra one adding 10 10. Half of 10 comes to be how much? 5. That means fifth place number comes as the median. So which number comes as the fifth place? 1 2 3 4 5. 14 comes as in the fifth place. That's why 14 is the median. Same way mode also find out. Mode means which number coming as more time repeat. Which number more time repeating? 14 is repeated more time. 13 also repeating but 2 times only. 12 also repeating that 2 times. But 40 how many times? 3 times repeated. That's why mode because how much? 14 is the mode. I hope you can understand this question. Remaining next exercise. So this chapter this much exercise next class. Thank you.